Cineplex, day 2.
That's kind of sick.
Yeah.
Cut out all the bad stuff that I.
You'll be like the prime source of entertainment.
What I ever do.
Oh.
Let me play out.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
It's a video now. Look at the background and his colors. He looks like he's ready to go on like a fishing trip.
Oh my god, he looks like a mom.
Wait, turn around.
No, you know what you look like?
Yeah, it looks like he looks like he's ready to go fishing.
I'm bleeding.
Why?
My waist bleeding.
Why?
Bleeding from where?
Is this internal bleeding?
No. You probably just something went into your fingernail. Go wash your hands.
The future is here. It's now. It says it's motion activated right there. Stop. No, you gotta.
Why is it doing that? Why is it doing that?
No, guys, we should.
Why is it doing that?
You should have came with us, Reese.
I will.
That's gotta be racist, dude.
Yeah. You gotta use Japanese and stretch.
In all fairness, I came with you guys yesterday, and that was my social battle.
You didn't come with us yesterday. You came with Luca, Jack, and Logan.
I don't want to sit there.
Say hi.
Hi, I'm Dion. This is my vlog, and right now we're at One Circle getting ready for Senior Project Cineplex. Run the montage. Okay, montage stop.
I'm keeping all of that in.
You didn't see that. Right now we are at the Orange Circle, this beautiful place with just...
I can't see.
Oh no, get that out. We just...
No!
Ah! Give me the camera.
Ew! Luca! Be aware!
It's a vlog.
Bro, what's his name?
This is so meta.
Do you have a thrust fact?
3 virgins talking about absolutely nothing.
My thirst factor is...
Talk about the thrust factor.
What do you guys know about the thrust?
You should have seen my shirt
Thrust
yesterday.
vector. It's gravitational force and acceleration.
I should have been wearing the shirt I was wearing yesterday. On the back it said, "In thrust we trust."
In thrust we trust. You look beautiful, Ramsey. Okay, stop, Mog.
Ryan, don't stop.
Best deal vlog.
No.
It's Dion's corner on Just Proceeds camera, ready to...
Dion, this is your track.
Stay right here.
No.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Yeah, you gotta hit the dance again.
YouTube channel? Delete this video.
No. No. No.
You're gonna get me canceled. You're gonna get me kicked out of it.
You've literally you haven't done anything that'll get you canceled.
You haven't talked about the thrust vector yet. Oh, that'll get That'll get someone.
I gotta put the goofy dance music on. Oh, that's the thrust vector.
Wait, Billy Mouse.
No, please don't embarrass yourself.
Wait, wait, hold on. I missed it. Reese, go again. Man.
The thrust factor is too much for you to handle.
Butterflies.
And I would run you over.
Oh, canceled. Canceled.
Oh, I'm like sick, dude. Hey, don't get this on camera. Wait, I'll do the Billy bounce, but you have to catch me in a secret location. No, can't. It's not. I'm not just gonna throw it around, Willie.
Hey, square up!
Oh, I'm sending this to Mr. Dowsett.
Hi, Mr. Dowsett. Guys, I'm being. Oi! Whoa there, Mr. Dowsett! That was cotton.
Left everyone.
Oh, I hope. Oh, they turned. Oh no, they didn't turn.
Sunday worship, 10 a.m.
The Bible is so good. You're just mad that I don't like reading.
Right now we're going to Cineplex.
We're going to Cineplex.
Wait till he's done himself.
Yeah. I have no clue, it's just Bruce. Whoa. Coming like right behind
petrol gas.
I didn't get a ticket, but you don't understand.
You make them long.
I got no arch on my foot.
Why do you have?
You make them tough. But they just go on and on, and it seems that you can't get off. Oh, I know we've come a long way.
I feel like I'm about to fall asleep every single time I sit down. Today I was beefing with Justin. Sick. I know you're gonna see this.
You don't have to move me.
All I heard was you're gonna have to move me, man.
You're fourth wheeling, bro.
Woo! There's 3 of you.
Oh yeah, we're so in front, bro. I'm slowly sinking out. Okay, then you just.
Ramsey.
Why is it so close? Stop.
It's not that close, but also it's because you're smaller than Ramsey. Say hi. It's a video. Are you making a vlog?
Are you vlogging?
Make this a vlog.
Yellow Boots. Yellow Boots was a success.
This is ready. Title of the video.
Success all around.
FTV Cineplex
Yeah.
by Jesper.
Yellow Boots, 10 out of 10. Everyone liked it. Critics.
I'm not even
amazing,
watching that tonight.
Amazing. And
But we should.
they're gonna make.
I get more views when I put art students in the title or art school.
Our school.
Yeah, so
Us. Than us. This is content. Free content. Free content.
Free content right now. Right now. We'll literally
do whatever you think is funny.
That's not funny. That's not funny. Hey, being homosexual isn't funny.
I'm sorry.
That's
Acceptance. Our
That's
school
like
is all about acceptance.
yeah. We accept. Yeah.
We accept. We create. We what do we create? I don't know. We get bullied a lot.
We do.
And
We have. Yeah. Anyways, watch out for Blue Boots. The trequel.
the treacle.
Good to see you, treacle.
Wait, it should be a treacle.
It should be
yellow boots, red boots, blue
And
boots.
Blue Boots.
That's what it is.
It's gonna be 1 boot, 2 boot, 3 boot.
1 boot, 2
Oh, bro, Dr. Seuss who?
Dr. Boots.
Oh, hi. How you doing? Hello there, Diego. Good day to you too.
I feel like it's such a douchebag.
What's your name?